Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Nandita. Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. It's a brand new day, but the question still remains, what do we pack in the tiffin today? Some of India's most loved chefs bring to you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today I'm showing you the recipe for tomato oats uttapam. It's a very quick and easy recipe because you don't have to grind the batter and it's made using a healthy ingredient like oats. So come on, let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. We'll start by preparing the batter for the tomato oats uttapam. We have some oat flour here, which is nothing but oats that you can lightly roast and grind in the mixer. And here we have some fine rava, again same quantity as the oats. We're going to season this with a little bit of salt, a pinch of baking soda, and because this is tomato and oats uttapam, we're going to add some freshly made tomato puree. And now we're going to add some Kissan tomato ketchup. The tomato ketchup gives the tomato oats uttapam a nice taste of sweetness. And now we'll just add a little bit of water to get the right consistency. And the last ingredient, a touch of fresh coriander. Our batter is ready. Let's start the gas and heat a pan here. I'm just going to grease the pan with a little bit of oil. So one side has turned nice and golden brown. I'm going to flip these over and cook the other side. So our tomato oats uttapam is ready. I'm just going to remove this onto a plate. So if you like, you can serve it with some fresh green chutney on the side. So let's pack this in our tiffin. I'm adding some pista and some watermelon. I hope you liked our recipe today. Do subscribe to India Food Network, like and share our video, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.